So if you're looking for a plasticity course from plasticity to Blender, you're in the right video. I will explain all the fundamentals of the plasticity, how actually plasticity works, what's the difference between CAD and hard surface modeling, and how to import your models with the clean topology from high res to low res also. And we're gonna create this sci-fi door in plasticity, and we're gonna use this sci-fi door in Blender to create this cinematic render. All of this will be done in just 2 hours, and this is totally beginner friendly, so you can definitely can watch it. And if you're coming from Blender, you can easily can follow this. I will explain all the steps step by step. So without wasting time, let's get started. So while we are doing render, let's come to the Photoshop and let's do the render. I think it's in the C1. Is it usually I don't do that, but yeah, put it there. So this is render one. Let's filter camera angle. I'm going to just like drag randomly, so see what looks good. I mean, it's just randomly. So just play with that. I didn't add a lens distortion and anything. It was a simple one. Yeah, I might later do it in a time lapse. But yeah, so you can see I don't have any idea. I'm just like randomly doing it. So why I'm saying this again and again, so you understand that it's not something. Um, I mean, you need to be skilled at. You need to practice. It's all about practice. So just watching this video is not enough. You need to go and practice again and again. That's what I do, and that's helped a lot in my experience. Just watching a video doesn't gonna do anything, and that's the key point you need to understand. Many people don't understand it, so I mean, I can only tell you. It's all up to you what you're gonna do. Because at the end, you need to decide what you need to do in your life. Let's play. I think it looks good. Let's go there back, and let's see the blending. Like it. Let's see this. Oh yeah, looks good. Sharpen it. Sharpen. And this is Control C, Control Z, Control V. And now I can lower the density of it if I don't want it. Or if I just do that. And let's go in hue saturation. Let's play with the color. Yeah, it looks good. Uh, let's go Control J. Filter gallery. Just randomly playing. I don't think so. I need this. Oh, that looks good. This is stylish. A little bit like a 2D effect, you can say, or a texture effect. Yeah. There we go. It looks like a texture effect. I mean, it looks good. Let's add some effects on it by using ICO. Where's my ICO? No, sorry, not ICO. This Max I take this course, so you have some pretty amazing stuff. In this course, you can just go and watch this one also. So I'm just like right now, you can see randomly adding stuff and seeing if it looks good. Might be, might not be, I don't know. I think it's enough for this. Use saturation again. Let's play again. I mean, each color looks good. That one looks good. Add a text. Test. Put it up. CG. CGS. Ish. Whatever. Put it like that. I don't need to add something else. Pretty simple, right? And simple always good. You don't need to be over complex stuff, you know. Oh shit. So export this. Gonna give a name. What I did actually, I don't know. Let's see the second render. There we go. Good. So let's like this image. Filter, camera raw filters. I mean, it looks good. Little bit like that. A little bit cold effect. Textures. And there we go. And some color grading. I mean, it doesn't need it, but I don't need to touch this area. Uh, oh. So luckily today I find like really good music. I'm feeling good. I mean, like most of the time you just like don't get trash music, and it's just frustrating. So like today, so that just do this and increase the sharpness, let a bit. Now again, Control C, Control Z, Control V. See the difference? How the hell? Let's add some hue saturation. Hue saturation, and let's change the colors. Let's see what looks good. There we go. It looks good. Let's select the font again here. I think it looks good. And like this, go there, some add some particles effects in it. Max A1. Let me see. That one. Sponsored by Max? Hey, no, it's not sponsored. I mean, I will be happy if someone sponsored me, but I don't think so. So let me. There we go. Look good. And let me zoom in. I mean, it's simple. It's clean. It's okay. Let me just lower this. File export. Boom, 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 boom. Give it whatever name. And go. I don't know. Like this. Like this. Second one. And put in the pure ref. So these are the two renders we did today. I mean, it looks. This one it looks really decent and nice. I mean, we can create more better, but this is basically tutorial for how to create a model in Plasticity, not to do the rendering. I created already explained video how I did that render, so you can watch that one also video. So let me show you now scene. As you can see how nice it is and easy it was to make this model. And if I switch to the render view, so yeah, and you can see how nice it looks. Let me lower this 0.5. And there is no artifacts in this. And it looks so nice. So key point is you can do a lot with the plasticity and blender. You need to use both. You need to use both of them and use in a different way. For example, sometimes I use blender even for modeling, but depend on the scenario. Okay, so this is all depends. And this is a video I created just to explain how you can start using plasticity. And as you can see, this model looks really nice. You can create more complex models as I do usually, and which is not really easy to make in Blender. And yeah, you can even print it. It's really nice, and it's not bad having this skill. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and it took me a little bit time to make it. So please make sure you like this video and share with your friends who are already looking for positive tutorials. Because the thing is, on YouTube, these kind of tutorials are hard to find, and also for me to how to reach people like you. So yeah, if you just like share this video, I will make more better content like this, so you can be better more, and I will teach you all my experience, which I like do testing and experiment with my stuff, and also and yeah, my this video is also coming up. The assets I just show you right now, they're part of my another video I'm making. So I'm planning to make as like a short film type of thing. I do not promise this, but I'm just planning to do this. So yeah, these are the assets for that one. Let me show you the render. So this is the test render I did. As you can see, the texturing and all this stuff. And yeah, I'm just like thinking right now and like planning stuff that what should I do. So it's just under process. So let me know what you think about this video and tell me if you face any problem. I would love to answer you because obviously this channel is like you can say really new. So I will definitely gonna answer you if you have any problems. And I hope you like this. See ya.